Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals.
To remove the memory modules, flip the laptop over, loosen the screws on the base cover, and gently pry it off using a plastic tool. Lift the cover away. First, disconnect the battery cable and remove the screws holding the battery in place. Lift the battery out of the system. Next, find the memory module highlighted in blue. Gently push apart the clips holding the memory module until it pops up. Hold the edges and carefully lift it out of the slot. To reinstall the memory module, align the notch on the memory with the tab in the slot. Slide the module into the slot at an angle and press it down until it clicks into place. Now, put the battery back, secure it with the screws, and reconnect the battery cable. Finally, snap the base cover back into place and tighten the screws to finish.
For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.